Welcome to the DIY Future, a lecture on electrical work. In this session, we will explore the essentials of basic electrical skills, empowering you to safely tackle common household electrical tasks. Understanding electricity is not only crucial for home maintenance, but also forms a foundation for innovative DIY projects and potential business ventures. We will cover the fundamentals of electrical circuits, wiring, and safety protocols to ensure you can handle repairs and installations with confidence. By extending the lifespan of electrical products and promoting sustainable practices, you will contribute to the circular economy while developing valuable, marketable skills. Let's get started on illuminating your path to electrical proficiency and entrepreneurial success. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.